Hey Thunderbirds, welcome back to PE. Today we are going over the Cupid Shuffle. The Cupid Shuffle is a simple line dance because there's only 3 parts and we do those parts over and over again. Alright, so part number 1, we are going to step 4 times to the right and step 4 times back to the left so we end up right where we started. It's going to look like this, and the song is very fast, so make sure that we're going to make sure that we're doing it up to speed. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Part number 1, 4 steps to the right, 4 steps to the left. Part number 2, you are going to kick 4 times. Kick, 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 kick. Make sure you're alternating your feet. And it's probably going to be best that you start kicking with your right foot. So let's put those 2 things together. Step to the right, left, kick, 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 kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, 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 kick. And the last part, really simple. You're just going to walk in place for 4 counts again, and that's it. Okay, so let's put all that. Step to the right, step to the left, kick, and then walk in place for 4 steps. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and kick, 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 and walk. Walk. 2, 3, 4. And that's it. That's the entire dance. Part 1, right to left. Part 2, kick. And part 3, walk in place. All right? And we'll just keep doing that over and over again. Like I said, the music is fast, so make sure that you keep up. If you get lost, just follow Coach Rea-Clark. We're going to do it to music right now.
Time for a change. New style, down, do your dance, do your we got a brand new dance. Down, do your dance, do your dance. Do your dance, down, down, do your dance, do your dance. New style, they say I'm a rapper, and I say no. They say what you doing, trying to do somebody cold. I just let the music come from my soul, so all of my people can stay on the floor. They got a brand new dance, you gotta move your muscle. A brand new dance, it's called a Cupid Shuffle. It don't matter if you're young or you're old. Here we go, we gon' show you how it goes. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Now kick, now kick, now kick, now kick. Now walk it by yourself. Now walk it by yourself. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Down, do your dance, do your dance. Let me see you do the Cupid. Down, do your dance, do your dance. Down, do your dance, do your dance. Down, down, do your dance. Let me see you do the Cupid. Do the shuffle, baby. Now walk it by yourself. Now you see what I'm talking about. I represent for the dirty South, where we're known for swinging now. King of swing out, baby. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. Let me see you do the Cupid Shuffle, the Cupid Shuffle, the Cupid Shuffle, the Cupid Shuffle. Now kick, now come on baby, kick. Now walk it by yourself. Walk it by yourself to the right. to the right, to the right, the right, the right, the left, to the left, to the left, the left, the left. Now kick, now kick, now kick, now kick, now walk it by yourself. Walk it by yourself and do the Cupid Shuffle. Now let me see you do the Cupid Shuffle. Now let me see you do the. It's your boy Cupid, C-U-P-D-I-D. Mr. Fat on the track, got another hit indeed. Do the down, down.